Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do some more work on the floor in the Pontiac here, and hopefully make some progress on this, because we're kind of getting to a point where it might be time to start doing body work on this. I think that's really going to be the next step. Obviously, there's a lot to do. We still need to box the frame in, still need to make body mounts and everything like that. But I mean, we're kind of getting close to doing some of that stuff. So Nick's going to work on making some of the panels that we need for down there, and I think I'm just going to work on welding everything in. Well, let's pump this baby up. You know, because once we have shocks attached, that'll do that, you know. But until we do that, up we go. So if we look, obviously we have up in here that we need to finish up. I do have some smaller pieces like in the back areas that need to be finished yet too. But for ease, like that's gonna be the easiest stuff is right there. What we'll probably have to do is we'll probably have to undo our airline and run it through the firewall. So I think what I'm gonna do, Nick, is I'm just gonna kind of work on getting this seam here welded in.
Okay.
Just be cognizant that you don't get, you know, welder's flash here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna make it out of one piece?
Huh?
You're gonna make it out of one piece? You're crazy.
Why?
All right.
Hey, Jeff.
What's up, bud?
Are we gonna use this foothold?
No, we're not gonna use that foothold.
No?
No. So that's gotta get patched up too. If you need me to stop or anything, just let me know, okay?
Okay. No, I'm just thinking.
I'm trying to weld this lower area so that way it blocks it, you know? You ever go to Back to the 50s?
Yeah.
It's a good show.
It's big.
Big. What year's your dad's car?
61.
Ooh, so he could take it.
Yeah.
Should do that next year. My buddy, he's originally from the Twin Cities area.
Okay.
He lives down in Arizona now, but this last summer he bought like a 39 Ford Coupe.
Okay.
It needs a little bit of work, but it's mostly a drivable car. He's like, we should take it Back to the 50s. I'll bring mine up. I'm like, well, okay. So that's the plan for next year.
Okay. But I'm saying, like, when we come and it, like, weld it in, we can just push it down and
Okay.
kind of bend it over the tunnel.
So I probably didn't need to full weld all of this, but why not?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I probably could have done like stitch welds. I'll feel better about it in my head, you know? The whole family's riding in this car, so.
Getting closer.
Do you want me to tack that floor piece in so it doesn't move?
Sure.
Hold on a sec.
That's as close as we're gonna get before we tag it.
Okay. What, do you want me to tack like on the left side first?
Yeah, like start over here and then we can just tap it down.
Okay.
It just gets over.
Yeah, let's get some tackage going on, hey? Tacky. Okay. We really would need to try and get these gaps a little tighter. Mm-hmm. So like when we do this, oh, I should tack it up here too real quick. Oh, geez, you okay?
Yep.
Hot?
Yeah. Haven't done that in a while. Kind of regretting that flap. Yeah, just cut it here.
Section a piece in. I dig it. Look at that.
Thanks.
That metal's hot, Nick, just a heads up.
What's that?
That metal's hot, just so you know.
That's almost perfect.
It is almost perfect. Okay. So now, just gotta do something about that. Mm-hmm. Easy way, obviously, is to just plate it from this side. You know what I mean? But we're gonna see that in the engine bay. The smart way to do it would be to flush it to make the exact shape. You know what I mean?
Pretty close.
Hold on a sec. Hold on. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so I got this whole seam down here all welded in. Got to do up there, obviously, yep. We're going to obviously make that probably next week because it's going to be tough to do. We didn't bring any of the real cutting tools today. But we're making pretty good progress. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. I happen to be perusing the local swap meet. And I got some taillights. Because I don't know if anybody's noticed. They were in the process of putting some weird ones in, so. I have a trunk latch, so we got to undo that. This won't be easy though, because we can see the spots there still where it welded it in. Not quite sure how we'll get the taillights to fit yet, but we'll get it done. I bet that's Josh. Oh, it's Josh. So I know we had just talked about being done. I didn't really like where that video was going to leave off, so we're going to finish what we were doing, and then we can do that. So Nick brought some tools here. We're going to make a couple patch panels and hopefully get that all welded up today. What do you think?
We can do that.
Yeah. At least get that one big hole, you know. And then I can continue to do some welding in here. I also want to try and get underneath and do some welding down below. I do have to measure for the boxing because I want to get some pieces made so that we can get the frame box, because the next big thing is making body mounts. And then we can work on doing some other stuff. Yeah. All right. Work your magic, bud.
Will do.
Okay, keep holding it for a second.
Yep.
Keep holding it for a second.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Now you should be able to let go.
Okay. Or otherwise I'll have to kind of curve this.
I feel like curving that makes more sense than cutting the tacks out and everything like that. You know what I mean? I think it sucks either way. You know what I mean?
You said your body work in this whole thing, this part?
No, this is going to get covered. The other side of the firewall is going to get body worked.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
That's in there forever.
What, you want that rattling around forever?
Right there.
Well, you're not gonna. That's not gonna bug you at all.
No, that'd be
Especially
fine.
after you like. Oh, I could have just left it and like welded a whole panel.
Yeah, right.
I'd say tack it there and then we can massage it the rest of the way.
Over here.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna do one over here too, quick. Okay. Get one right there. Yep.
Right there.
That sounds good. All right, that's tacked in. This whole section here all done. I always know when you've been welding a lot, your argon tank gets a little frosty.
What'd I miss?
Nothing. Yeah, so we got that all tacked in. We gotta kind of bend that down and get that welded in. We're gonna weld that on the other side because that's all gonna get body worked and everything. But then pretty much all the patch panels are all done in here. I think that's actually finally where we're gonna leave this episode. I feel good about that leaving off spot. But yeah, if you guys are watching on mobile, you know, there's a new hype button down below. If you hit that, it really helps boost the channel. And if you're looking forward to more of this, probably paint and body work soon. I got a really cool color idea that I want to do with this. And yeah, well, make sure you subscribe and we'll see you next time.